In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly reverse a clip or a video in Premiere Pro. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So I've got this clip here, somebody's running. Let's just import it into the project bin here, and we can just see or scrub through the guys running forwards. So we want this clip to reverse in this order, that way. So let's just create a new sequence from clip, and we'll have our sequence here. So we can just adjust it slightly. You'll see the fellow is running forwards, looking good and all that, doing the exercises. So we just want to reverse this clip. Just right click on it, click on speed stroke duration. Once you do that, click on reverse speed and then click on OK. Just that, that's all you need to do. So we can go back to the start. So when we play the video, our fellow or our runner is going to be running backwards. More or less, we've reversed the clip in Premiere Pro. That's how you can quickly reverse a video or a clip in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.